Good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Now let us start the remaining part 2 of the chapter 2, Life at Hawthorne School. Hawthorne School. And now let us see the part 2, Hawthorne. After the walk, Hattie went to her room and found Aline, the new pupil, in a flurry of dresses, hats, slippers, books, gloves and suitcases. After the walk, he took the walk at 4:30 with her friend, and Hattie went to her room and found Aline. And when she returned at room, she found Aline was there, the new pupil, the new students, the new pupil यानी शिष्य, the new student in a flurry of dresses, means she was covered, surrounded by the beautiful dresses. She was weared beautiful dress and hats, slippers, books, gloves and suitcases. And she wished Aline, "How do you do, Aline? I'm Hattie, your roommate." She gave her intro to the Aline. "How do you do?" Aline replied. "How do you do?" Aline replied, and stiffly यानी without any giving any attention या unfriendly way या in a rude way, she replied very rude way and didn't give any attention towards the Hattie, not bothering to raise her head, and she don't think to need to give a look to on Hattie, and she doesn't give a look, उसने Hattie की तरफ देखा भी नहीं. And "May I help you with your things?" Hattie offered. Hattie offered a helping hand towards the Aline. "May I help you with your things?" Remembering that Hattie knew, and she remembered that the headmistress had asked the girls to especially kind to her. For whom? To the Aline. She remembered that the headmistress asked them to especially be kind towards the Aline. The headmistress asked the girls to be kind to the Aline. "No, thank you. I would much rather have room to myself." But Aline replied very rudely, "That is no thank you. I would much rather have this room to myself. I'm sufficient for this room. No need to your help. Couldn't you ask to be changed?" "Why didn't you ask to change the room?" Aline demanded. When the Hattie gave the introduction, that is, "I'm your roommate," the Aline become very rude towards her and reply, "Why don't you change your room? Why couldn't you ask to change the room?" Aline asked him. Aline demanded the change of the room by the Hattie. "I'm afraid not," Hattie told her. "I'm not afraid." And she told her, "The other girls have been here long than I. The other girls living here from a long time, not than me. Other girls जो हैं they all are living here from a long time period than me. मुझसे पहले से girls यहाँ पे रह रही हैं. So that they already have roommates, इसलिए उनके पास already roommates हैं. Now annoying. How annoying? How replying you me? तुम कितने उससे बोल रही हो? Why are you making me angry? How annoying? Why are you making me angry?" And Aline turned her back unsociably. And Aline turned her back, उसने उसकी तरफ back कर ली. And unsociably, बिना किसी friendship way के. She didn't show any friendship hand towards the Hattie. And as she continued her unpacking, and she was continued with her work as she was opening the suitcase and she was unpacking his luggage. On the balcony, Hattie found Jamie, Lizzie, Annie and Eva was present there. On the balcony, the 4 girls were hanging in the balcony. That is, the Hattie found Jamie, Lizzie, Annie and the Eva was there. Aline is here, she announced. She told the girl, she announced, "Aline is here." "Yes, what did she like?" asked Lizzie. Lizzie asked, "Whoa, yes, what she like?" "She is tall, thin, with very black hair and green eyes," Hattie replied. Hattie said, Hattie told them she is a very beautiful girl, that is, tall, thin, dark black hair and green eyes. She gave a good look of Aline. "Is she nice?" asked Jimmy. Jamie asked, "Is she nice? Go and see for yourself and then tell me what you think of her," Hattie responded. Hattie replied the Jamie, "Go yourself and see yourself. Go in the room and see yourself what you think. Tell me about what you think about her and how she is in behavior. See yourself. अपने आप जाकर देखो. Go, जाओ and see, देखो yourself अपने आप से, and then tell me, फिर मुझे बताना. You think of her, what you think of her, कि तुम क्या सोचती हो उसके बारे में. Harry responded. Harry ने reply किया, go and see yourself. How is she? And tell me what you think about her. The four girls disappeared through the long doors leading into the room. The four girls go towards the room, landing. The four girls disappeared through the long doors and leading into the room. The four girls disappeared in the balcony. From the balcony, they went towards the Harry's and Ellen's room. Hello, Ellen, they said. They wished to Ellen. Oh, hello. Why am I in the same room with the little peasant girl? She replied hello and asked why I am in the same room with the little peasant girl. Peasant, किसानी परिवार को, a farmer's family, peasant and villagers type of. She asked, I don't want, why I am living in this room with this little peasant girl? How bad it is. The girl stormed. The new girl stormed. Who is the new girl? Ellen. Ellen replied, hello. And why I am living in this room with this village type of girl, countryside girl. But that's Harry, protested Lizzie. But Lizzie replied, protested वे विरोध करते हुए, but that is Harry. लेकिन ये Harry है. Who is Harry? Demanded Ellen. But Ellen again asked in an insulting way of Harry, who is Harry? Clara's friend, spoke up Eva. Now Eva said, she is Clara's friend. The granddaughter of the Uncle Alm up in the mountains, added Annie. And again Annie said that she is the granddaughter of the Uncle Alm who live in the mountains. She plays the violin beautifully, said Jamie. Now Jamie said she plays violin very beautifully and praising her. And she was telling them the quality of the Hattie. Then she is an artist, a peasant and an artist? How dreadful it is. Why couldn't I have a room with you? Asked Aline. But Aline was making continued insult of the Hattie and she didn't like the Hattie. She didn't want to live with that type of, her mentality is not good for her thinking was not good for the Hattie. And so she replied, she plays violin beautifully. Means she is an artist. क्या वो एक कलाकार है? A peasant and an artist, एक villager type of farmer girl and an artist. How it dreadful, how it is a very bad thing and it's dreadful जिसे हम कहें it's very bad, भद्दा, ugly thing. Why don't you have a room with you? Why couldn't I have a room with you? Asked Aline. She asked to Jamie. I just want to live with you. Why couldn't share my room with you? Asked Aline, turning towards Annie. She asked to Annie. Annie की तरफ turn होते हुए Aline asked towards the Annie. Why I couldn't have a room with you? How I don't want to live with this Hattie and how can I live with you? Can I live with you? Impossible. Since I came here 3 days ago, I have been affected with the companionship of Lizzie here. And Annie replied very annoyingly and very negatively, that is the impossible. ये संभव ही नहीं है. Since I came 3 days ago, when I reached here before 3 days, I have been affected with the companionship of Lizzie, and I'm living here with Lizzie. We are you all the day long. We argue all day long, and we will discuss it for all day. She went with a laugh, but I wouldn't leave her for the world. And Annie also replied in a very negative way, that is, I've been suffered with the companionship of Lizzie here. I'm also suffering with my roommates, that's the Lizzie. We argue all day long. हम रोज डिस्कस करते रहते हैं लंबे पूरे दिन. We argue all day long. We always discuss, dispute whole day. She went on with a laugh, and they laughed very insulting way. But I wouldn't leave her for the world. But I can't leave her. I will never leave her. What a pity, and you. It's very poor, and you? Asked Ellie, turning to Eva. She turned again to the Eva, and it's you, Eva. Me, turning to. Me, asked Eva. When she turned towards the Eva, and Eva asked, it's me. I'm very happy, rooming with my Jamie. She replied in a very positive way and say negatively to the she didn't show any interest in the alien and replied, I'm happy with my roommate Jamie. I'm big and she is little. I have a good personality and she is little beautiful. So we balanced each other perfectly. I'm big personality girl and she is young and little. So we balance with each other very perfectly. No need of the any other type of roommate anyway. Hattie is very nice and we all like her. And again she take the favor of the Hattie and reply, Hattie is very nice behavior girl and we all are like her very much. She doesn't please me, but Aline said. But Aline replied, she doesn't make me happy. She doesn't please me. I don't like her and she doesn't make me happy. She just too bad, concluded Lizzie. And lastly, Lizzie said, it's very bad of your view, it's very bad thinking of you about the Hattie. But she left the room with a merry twinkle in her eyes. But suddenly she left the room in a very happily smiling, shining in her eyes. Hattie had been attacked and all had an opportunity to defend her. The Hattie was attacked and they all had a golden chance to defend her. And they all are doing discussion. The Aline was discussion with these four girls with whom she wanted to live, but she didn't like the Hattie. Thanks to all of you.